Good day to everyone listening to me, and especially to the Simply Brilliant community members all over the world. I am Olonolo Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices within the Simply Brilliant community worldwide. Happy New Year to everyone. You are welcome again. For as many who are familiar with this channel, I'm coming live for the first time this year. Happy New Year to everyone. This year will be a wonderful and a prosperous year for us all. Amen. You'll be wondering why the change? Yes, the former community has metamorphosed into a brand new, simply brilliant community. So, with effect from 12th January 2023, we've gotten a new name, we've gotten a new rebirth, and a new coin has been formed, and that is called Simply Brilliant Community, where we are having our new coin, and the token of the coin is called joy. So this year we are set to spread the joy all over the world and to showcase the joy to the world. You are welcome. I will continue to be your anchor throughout this year. So guys, always come upon this channel. Come on board. If you are watching me and you are listening to me and you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Yes, you will see me, and we are bringing to you the abundance that is meant for the world. So guys, come on board. So join me as I welcome you for you to see our new logo of the new Bath community, which is known as Simply Brilliant Community. Simply Brilliant Community. Ooh, wow. The name and the community and the coin was launched officially on the 12th of January 2023. This is simply a brilliant community, and we are to showcase the abundance that God has given to humanity, and we are spreading it to the whole world, sharing the joy of the abundance. Come on board. Come and join us. We are set to transform the world. We are set to eradicate poverty. Come on board. Come and join us. As for as many who are yet to register, come on board, come and register. Like today is Monday. To the members of the Brilliant Community members, today is Monday. By 4 p.m. West African time, we'll be having our mass adoption training. That is where we all gather all over the world to meet with the creator of the Simply Brilliant community, to share minds and to discuss about the vision and the mission and the way forward in this community. So guys, come on board. Let's build. This is time for us to build. Let's build. And we shall all enjoy the benefit and the dividend of it. Till I come your way again with more and other updates, stay aboard. Thank you. Bye for now.